I didn't know that.
The taping and stepping at approximately 200 degrees. Around 280 degrees, the tape has stopped. It stopped completely as the cam follower reaches the low dwell.
Polyethylene.
If you'll sign right here, Whacker, you'll notice I've rated you outstanding on everything except neatness.
Oh, boy.
This code will not take printer action until the C contract NC makes. Rats. It wasn't until the last chapter I realized I'd already seen the movie.
Material for the preceding program was selected from postage due speak-up letters received at OPHQ.
Very interesting, Liebchens. Take 5. Smoke if you've got 'em.
Take 4, show number 5.
From the impression room of the Hotel Polyethylene, the Office Products Division presents the Ralph Inn. Today's program is brought to you by Colonel Vo's Kentucky Fried Ribbon Cores.
Good morning, IBM. I'm sorry, Mr. Moody. I can't talk right now. I'm all tied up.
Can you identify this Magna Belt?
That's about a pint of scotch.
The preceding program has been brought to you because no one else wanted it. But before we close, here is a word from our beloved president, Mr. Gordon Moody.
No.
Thank you, Mr. Moody.
And now for our last number, the RMN Pick Hit of the Week, a brand new group, Bill Maloney and the Manville Scanners singing, I'm going to sit right down and dictate myself a letter. I don't think I know the melody.
This program was written by a little old lady using a Model 01 typewriter. It is now on blocks in her garage, and the trade-in department swears it hasn't been used more than 8 hours.
Whacker, you know these outlandish practical jokes you've been pulling around the office have got to stop.
That's a no-no.
The producers wish to thank all of the people responsible for making this program possible.
Very interesting. But what would your Gordon Moody say?
This has been a very funny film. But who is responsible for it?